Open Measure. Then go to the Tools menu and select Settings. Open the CD and Media Files folders and then select Add. Click the ellipses next to folder path and select your desired media file folder. Provide a name for the file. If the material is to be uploaded to the cloud to be shared throughout the organization, then check the Cloud CD folder box. Identify the CD scheme from the drop-down menu. This is to ensure the correct word list is displayed during testing. You can calibrate your speech material at any time, but to calibrate when uploading, select Calibrate in this dialog box. Then, select the calibration track from the CD. Select Start Calibration. Utilize the and buttons to adjust the tone so it falls at 0 dB on the displayed VU meter. Then select Save. Select OK. This will then save the material to the individual workstation where clinicians can use the material to perform assessments on clients. These settings will be overwritten if Auditdata Cloud is controlling the workstation settings.